Today we have the 2018 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just under 79,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel tank. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth, 4-pass connect, voice control and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: normal, eco and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.